what's going on? Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Powerplay G903 and the Powerplay G903 G703 Wireless Charging Gaming Pad. So it's been a lot of speculation on whether this gaming pad is good or not. I'm gonna basically do a quick unboxing. I'm not even gonna tell you whether it's good or bad. I'm even gonna tell you how it feels. So, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Powerplay gaming mouse and the charging pad. So the awesome thing about this is that it's not super RGB. It does have RGB at the top of it. A lot of people just wanted to do, holy cow, this thing works really quick. Has one RGB at the top. It has, and as everybody knows, Logitech has, well, everyone has their own app that you have to use, a software that has to be used to utilize the RGB portion. So, wow, okay. Hey, so this is the hard pad gaming software. Oh, this is a hard pad. Oh, so, wow, so this is hot. So it's a hard one that has like a smooth soft pad, hard surface. We're gonna go with that a little bit later on. This, I'm assuming, is the actual charging pad itself. There's no like super duper instructions that need to be read. I see 1, 2, turn off your mouse, turn off your G903 or 703 and blah 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 blah. Who likes reading directions? There's pictures right here, but I do know one thing. This is saying in this picture, this is, I'm assuming that this is a charging pad. In a second, is there anything else in here? Nothing else in the box. So we're going ahead up there, put this down here. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna unbox the G903, the best mouse, gaming mouse on the market, available for mere mortals like myself. It's like a press, turn, and then press again. So there's nothing in here. So there was one that actually came on the inside of the pad, and I'm assuming that there's one inside of this, maybe this little box here. No, I never opened this box. No, okay, so this goes, oh, here's a rechargeable battery right here. Magnet, oh, just went right in. Had to do nothing, right in. Let me take this and put this back. So I'm assuming that the battery is also acting like a weight, which is also right here inside of this box. So okay, so basically I just put the receiver slash battery on the inside of here, or the rechargeable battery from the pad to, I guess, start charging, and I had to use a soft one, and you just lay it on top here. Is that how that works? Does it just go on top? Is there like no casing or anything that goes in there? Alright, okay, I guess you. And once again, that nice rollerball effect, or feeling of quality when you have this steel wheel. It's freaking awesome. And once again, we don't have it hooked up, so you can't really see the RGB up here on the actual pad texture to match the mouse. You can see that they're both the same. You don't, but it's not lit up yet, so we'll get to that. Sure. Basically, you're never recharging. You're never putting another battery in this thing again. You really do not have to recharge this. I'm sorry, not have to recharge this. You will not have to pick this up and plug it in unless it's a dire emergency or something happens, because it is actually recharging while it's sitting on the mouse pad in whatever position. It's basically recharging the mouse. On the inside of this case, it also comes with the receiver that was inside of here. I messed around and I pulled it out earlier. It's also ambidextrous. I don't know if people notice that. For you lefties that like gaming on the left hand side, you creative thinkers, so that's actually a pretty good feature. So I'm going ahead and I'm gonna put this in there right quick. And all right, so that's in there. Another cool thing is Logitech, of course, they have their proprietary mini USB connections to assist with guiding the actual mini USB inside of the slot, because I don't know if you have like a Android or whatever it is, and you could just take this, and sometimes it'll get it'll get thrown off track. I don't know if you guys can see that, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the woo type thing. But yeah, so it has as many USB, but it also has like pitchfork type prongs on it, which are proprietary to Logitech, to make sure that basically you don't miss a slot. And so that's going on, that's in there. And the beautiful thing about it, once again, the same one that you can put inside of the mouse, they use it for the actual mouse pad. Boom, so that's in there. So a fiber braided cable, so that way it's not hideous to look at, the little plastic crap. Getting back to cables, beautiful thing about this cable, just in case, depending on how your setup is, this same cable, getting back to the K95, which I love so much, that's actually in another post or another video for the K95. You see the link at the bottom. K95 has these cross patterns to where, depending on how you have it hooked up, you can actually take these and stick it on the inside and work your way around. This is not working out, so there we go. And you can work this all the way across, depending on your setup, to basically neaten up your wires for cable management, which is beautiful. And they actually do fit.